Hey everyone, I hope you are enjoying the wonderful activities that we are demonstrating to you every day and also performing them at home. Now we are going to move on to our today's activity. And that is expressing feelings. And now we are going to check the learning objectives and the resources needed for the activity. The learning objectives for the activity are to express feelings, to enhance cognitive development, and to develop social and emotional skills. And the resources that we need for the activity are varied range of tactile materials, whatever is readily available at home, like sandpaper, cotton, wooden block or toy, felt cloth, foam, cardboard, fur or velvet, and A4 sheets, paint, leaves for the activity we are going to perform later. So what we are going to do here is we are going to touch one by one the varied range of tactile materials that are available at home readily, and then describe the feeling they get while touching it. Also, the child needs to describe his or her experience once they touch the tactile materials. Alright, so let's begin. I have few tactile materials over here for you all. I am going to one by one tell my experience I had after touching these tactile materials. The first picture is of a bubble wrap. After I touched the bubble wrap, I felt that the texture of the bubble wrap is little fluffy. It was very interesting to touch the bubble wrap. The next picture is of a wooden block. After touching the wooden block, the texture I felt was hard. The next two pictures are of a bunny, that is a soft toy, and a cotton ball. After touching these two items, I felt that the texture is very soft and it was very nice, I felt, after touching these two materials. Next material is of a felt cloth. The experience I had after touching this felt cloth was very interesting. I felt that the material was soft and smooth and it gave a texture of a wool, that is, it had a woolly texture. The next picture is of a coconut shred. After touching the coconut shred, I felt it was very rough texture and hard too. The next picture is of a cardboard. It was little rough and bumpy texture. Now we are going to move on to our activity, and the activity's name is texture painting. What we have to do here is we are going to take an A4 size sheet paper, watercolor paint, and either a scrubber or a sandpaper or a leaf with veins texture on it. Next, the child needs to dip the scrubber or the sandpaper or leaf into the paint and make the imprints on paper. So I have got the A4 size sheet paper here with green color and two leaves. I have taken green watercolor paint in a paper plate. Next, I dipped the leaf into the green color paint and I made the imprints on the paper as shown in the picture. When I'm making the imprints, I patted the leaf gently so that the veins are clearly seen on the paper. You have to make sure that you don't dip the leaf into the paint like for a longer time, or there should not be much of the paint, because in that case the veins won't be clearly seen if the lot of green color is on the leaf. You can see in the first picture that the veins are not clearly seen, right? But in the next picture here, at the bottom, the leaf imprint is very clearly seen with the veins marked properly. Here I have shown how we are going to make the imprints and then gently lift the leaf so that the imprints are seen clearly. Alright, so now children, perform this wonderful and interesting activity at home and share the pictures with us. Thank you.